Right now, your funds might not be where you want them, but that's all going to flip soon. I'm about to lay out the perfect playbook for boosting a token's price and securing massive gains. Okay, let's go through this methodically, but before we start, don't even consider Pump Fund for your meme coin. It's over. Hop on Photon and switch over to Pump Fund's DEX. The flood of new tokens is ridiculous. Just in the past few seconds, Gold and Tart coin popped up, but they're already dead on arrival. The whole ecosystem's broken since Pump Fund lets anyone create a token in seconds. Load Raydium's platform, and you'll witness pure insanity. Only 4 new tokens in 1 minute, yet demand is through the roof. Those liquidity stats are absolutely wild. The game changer? Raydium's skill requirement. Creating meme coins here takes technical know-how, so only legit projects make it. Quality devs attract big money. That's the Raydium advantage. Here's how to play it. Launch Tool just flipped the script on Raydium completely. Forget about coding headaches. Now you can pump out a meme coin in less than 5 minutes. I've been crushing it with this method, pulling in consistent gains every single day for the past 30 days straight. We begin with the logo. Quick tutorial, open Canva, make a 128 by 128 file. My followers already know about my cartoon addiction. I'll use this Pikachu for this time, customizing it in seconds, and we're done. Couldn't be more straightforward. Done with the logo? Excellent. Go to Launch Tool and connect your wallet. Now you have to choose the name and symbol for the token. I'm using Surprised Pikachu as the name and Pikachu for the symbol. Description is totally optional. I'll skip it, but you can write something that you like. Upload your logo and click Next. Don't change the default decimals or supply, just continue. Smart hack. Uncheck the creator info to save 0.1 Solana. The social media links won't help your Raydium launch. Forget they exist. Red flag warning. Removing the 0.3 Solana protection will kill your token instantly. Maintain all defaults and punch that launch my token now. Almost there. Confirm the transaction and just like magic, your token's now living on Solana. Instantly look it up on SolScan to double check. SolScan verification completed. Let's go. Do not sleep on liquidity creation. Without it, your token is just a useless digital paperweight with psychotic price action that'll drive everyone away. Here we go. Jump back into Launch Tool and hit Create Liquidity Pool. You'll get redirected to Raydium automatically. First, register your meme coin. Grab your token address from Launch Tool, paste it in, then enter the name and symbol. I'm using Pikachu and Surprised Pikachu. Click Add User Token and you're live. Your 1 billion token supply. We're locking 900 million straight into liquidity. Use Solana as our quote token. Max out your Solana allocation, but keep 0.2 Solana aside for transaction fees. Don't get caught short. You're holding all the cards here. Creator privileges mean easy money. Dial in that 2% fee for automatic profits down the line. Do one final review, then click on Initialize Liquidity Pool button. Approve the transaction with your wallet. Congratulations, your coin is officially trading and poised to explode. Boom, your coin's now the star attraction on Photon's front page. With all this fresh attention and growing volume, you need to monitor movements like a hawk. Let me teach you the insider tracking methods. Start by opening dexscreener.com and grab any random token chart. Now switch back to Launch Tool and copy your token address. Paste it right into DexScreener's address bar, replace whatever's there, and voila! Your live chart appears. Now we wait for buyers. Key reminder, monitor that liquidity closely. Also, keep refreshing Raydium's portfolio in standard view until your balance pops up. Might take 5 to 10 minutes, but it's coming. We have our first good buy for almost $60, which leaves our liquidity at $526 and our market cap at $401. Another big buy for more than $80 in less than 10 minutes, which improves our liquidity and market cap. We have our best buy for more than $120, which raises our liquidity to $667 and our market cap to $639. It is a good time to remove the liquidity and take good profits. Open Raydium's portfolio and change to standard view. Your true balances appear here. Select the minus icon, adjust the slider fully to 100% to show your complete liquidity pool allocation. Note the Solana figure. That's your exact cash out value. Execute, remove liquidity, confirm the wallet prompt, and there you go. Funds successfully secured. This strategy's a cash fountain that's about to run dry. Capitalize hard right now. This is just learning material, zero platform affiliations. But for rapid returns, this is the market's softest spot. Move fast before reality patches this glitch.